Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. Today is CutFile Tuesday and I used that gorgeous wreath cut file and I just made 3 from them and welded them together. So I have a cut file with more flowers and more leaves. And my idea was to create a mixed media background behind that cut file. So I'm using the negative space for my stencil work or my coloring work. And I'm using 3 shimmers paints we got, I believe, in this month, in the January kits, and maybe last month. I'm not pretty sure right now. So I'm just splattering them onto my background paper. I have no gesso on the paper because I knew I don't want it to bring in a lot of water. But in the end, I wish I had added some gesso because it curled up a lot and yeah. But it worked. So I'm just tracing around the area where the leaves are and the flowers and the circle. And I'm also bringing in some purple and I'm just going crazy with the colors here. And I totally love how this is looking. I will stop on one point and then I will add a second and a third layer of color because I wanted to bring in some more of the color, and then I will work on my embellishments. I'm scrapping a picture from me and my very best friend. We are best friends for over 25 years now, and that picture was taken in 1998. And we were just very young and very cute, and I love that picture and that memory. And so this layout is about my best friend. Here you can see I'm just bringing in some more of the purple behind the flowers. And yeah, like I said before, I will stop on one point. I will add another coat or a third coat of color. And then I will work on everything else. Here you can see how it's looking. It's very sparkly and very shiny, and I love it. My idea was to create 2 clusters and my title, which is Best Friend 1998, around the open areas on that circle. And yeah, I will just work around it. And I apologize for my very short video today, but my camera stopped on one point and I haven't realized it. So you will just see where I am looking through the stuff, and then the next video or the next image is when I'm nearly done. So I don't know what happened here, but I'm just looking through the die cuts, through the papers, and I'm fussy cutting and not die cutting, but you know, I'm just having a look into all of the bits and pieces, and I decided to stay in the purple and bluish tones, but I will also bring in a rainbow that's on one of the exclusive Pocket Life cards, and I will also bring in a lot of hearts and just some little bits and pieces. I'm peeling off the sticky side, the sticky back from these chipboard stickers so that I can play with them like I would do with just die cuts. And that's very easy to move everything around and not to worry about sticking to the background paper or something like that. And yeah, I was not sure about, first I was not sure what I wanted to use, but in the end it's just floral, hard, heavy layout, and yeah, I totally love how it's coming together. Yeah, here you can see this is the other day and I don't know what happened. So I have stick down all of the flowers with some foam tape. I have added my title, which is Best Friend 1998. And we are friends since 1995, I believe. So it's, yeah. So this is a rainbow from the Pocket Life card, and I just will stick the love you on top. And then I will have a look into all of the hearts and the puffy stickers and all the awesome stuff. And I will just add some more little things. Yeah, like I said before, it's CutFile Tuesday, and you should check out all of the other awesome layouts that are coming your way. And I am just playing, looking, and yeah, there are just so many beautiful pieces and beautiful sayings. And this one is smile, and I will stick that on the yellow orange area on the rainbow. And the other one is a friend like you is priceless. Priceless. Yes, it is. Yeah, and next to that, I am done. So you will get some close-ups and some final pictures at the end. And thank you so very much for stopping by. I hope you are doing good. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you. Talk to you soon, and bye.